Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying credentials and connectivity so the sync works smoothly. First, open Settings and confirm you're signed into the Apple ID you want to use. This determines which iCloud contacts set you update. Next, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is on because iCloud needs a connection. Then go into iCloud settings and locate contacts. Once you see the contacts toggle, you're ready to turn it on and start the sync process. Do that now. You'll enable contacts syncing and handle the merge decision. Turn the contacts toggle on. When iOS asks, pick merge to combine any local device contacts with the iCloud list. This prevents duplicates from being lost. Then allow time for the device to upload and download contact records. Larger contact lists take longer. Make sure to open the Contacts app and inspect a few entries and group lists once done, so you confirm that names, numbers, and photos. Finish by verifying sync status and fixing common problems. You should force close contacts and reopen to refresh the view. If items still don't appear, toggle contacts off in iCloud, choose Keep on my iPhone, then toggle back on and merge to force a fresh sync. If that fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in as a last resort. This reestablishes iCloud connections. If you see duplicates, use the built-in cleanup options or a trusted app to deduplicate safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.